There is a version of this situation where you have it in writing and a version where you do not. In Maine, those two versions end very differently. Today, it is the Maine month-to-month rental agreement. A month-to-month rental agreement is the one people most often end up in by accident, when a fixed term simply runs out and everybody carries on. Writing it down is your chance to decide the rent, the deposit, the utilities, and the notice period on purpose, instead of inheriting whatever the default happens to be. Without it, a tenancy nobody documented is governed entirely by rules neither side has read. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by Maine law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Maine, and the page walks you through the Maine rules that apply to it. Fill it in on the page, press generate, and you get a clean, dated PDF you can print, sign, or email in about a minute. No account, no watermark, no charge. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go get the form itself at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. It costs nothing.